Welcome to the channel. This build series is going to be documenting my attempt at building a kit for a Voron 2.4 Core XY 3D printer. I bought a kit from Formbot and this is how it went. What do we got here?
A 3D printer.
Do you know who made it?
No.
Us.
Oh, cool.
We're gonna make it. It's a Voron. It's a company that does not actually sell a printer. It's a list of parts that you can source yourself, or what I did was I bought a kit from a company called Formbot, where they basically get all the parts for you, and then comes in a big old box, and then you build it yourself.
Oh,
so let's see what we got.
Open the box.
All right. Okay, so we got foam.
Out we go.
And silicone carbide abrasive paper. And I believe these parts are the doors. Alright. The front doors will go like that. In fact, these are all of the side panels is my guess. And if that's the case, yep. So we've got, this is the bottom panel, this is the back panel. Okay, so the reason I know what they are is because I've read the manual many times, and we're not gonna need these right now. And I'm gonna put it over here. All right. Oh boy. Okay, so rails. We're gonna clean these, I think, today. Oh boy. All right. Wire brush. That's a tab kit. SD card, which you may or may not need. And okay, these are all of the electronics and whatnot. These are the drivers for the motors. Belts. Okay, we're not gonna need any of that today. Okay, so this is layer 2, not today's stuff. Okay. Ooh.
Have we heard what we were
This is the heating mat. Heats up the bed. Here's the bed. This is what it's going to be print on. This is the top sheet. This is also not a today thing. Whoops. Alright, that is the motor specs for the different motors, which those are here. Here we go. All right, so let me put this back like this. Okay. All right. Bearings. This is the hot end that came with the kit. I have a different hot end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 motors. 4 Z, X, and Y. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, these look like the extruder parts. That's also not a today thing, but what we do have are these parts. Look familiar? aluminum extrusions, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of these out. Din rails probably may not get to go today, but I'll take them out. Alright. And let's see. Alright, that's it. So I'm gonna leave the other stuff here. But it's, if you can see, it's the stepper motors and the solid state relay for the bed